Hello, today I will be exploring the ELA and Social Studies component of my Level 2 Hydroponics project. For my ELA component, I chose the journal format. The reason I picked this option is because the garden is a process that requires ongoing observation and reflection. By keeping a journal, I can track the amount of inches each plant grew along the weeks, and as you can see here, week 1, all the plants were 0 inches. It had just been planted. Week 2, the tomatoes were around 1 inch, cabbage was 4. The cabbages is like the thing that grew the fastest, because I think it's because it was positioned towards the sun more. You'll see it in the garden. Week 3, all the plants started to come out, and then week 4, 5, and 6, these are the weeks where we've seen the most, growth in the plants, and I think it's because it's when the plants are starting to mature and really become, a big plant. So yeah. For my social studies component, I selected historical connections. Hydroponics has roots in agricultural experiments dating back centuries, and its development has influenced modern farming practices. By exploring how hydroponics was used in the past, like World War II, to grow food for soldiers, or in early scientific studies of plant nutrition, I can show how these historical milestones shape today's sustainable farming systems. This perspective strengthens my project by linking scientific innovation to broader social and historical developments. And this is like a close-up look of the garden, if you do want to see it. Back there is rosemary. This is the pepper. It's pretty big. That back there is the mint plant. We be using that mint for tea. That's why the leaves are off. These are the cabbages. They did grow big, and they're really stiff. This is the basil. This is the cilantro. So we did plant some cilantro clumped up, and we planted some further away from each other so we can see the different growth and how it affects. And it seems like when it's clumped up, it actually grows bigger. These are the eggplants. They're still growing. These are peppers. Some of them died, but some of them are still alive. And these are the tomatoes. This is the biggest plant right here. It's a tomato plant. Yeah. So to sum it all up, my ELA component will be a journal used to document and reflect my progress and journey, and my social studies component will focus on the historical connections of hydroponics. Together, these choices will help me illustrate both the scientific and social importance of my project. Thank you.